Hi everyone, in this video today I'm going to be showing makeup artists how to build a website for their business on the Mighty Sites platform. If you're not familiar with Mighty Sites, if you've just stumbled across this video, Mighty Sites is the fastest way to launch a simple website for your small business. You can have something ready in less than a minute. It's super affordable, it's only $9 a month, and there is a free trial available. The great thing about the free trial is no credit card details are required to sign up. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, give it a bash, and let us know how it works for you and your business. So let's get cracking building a website for a makeup artist business. Once you've signed up on the Mighty Sites platform, put in your email address and password. It's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for all different small businesses. However, if you've just come across this video and you're not even a makeup artist, you've got a different business or side hustle and you can't quite find the market over here, drop us a comment and let us know and we will add it. Awesome. So now I'm going to go ahead and search for our market, makeup artist, and there it is over here. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Great. Now Mighty Sites is going to ask me a few basic details about my makeup artist business, and then it's going to work its magic, do all the hard work for me, and generate a website. So let's go ahead and put in our company's name. Let's go ahead and put in our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can have a Mighty Sites website. Let's go ahead and select the type of business as a service, as you're a makeup artist service, and click continue. Awesome. So now Mighty Sites is working its magic, and there we go. It's literally generated a one-page website for me. All I had to do was put in a little bit of information. Now, with Mighty Sites, the beauty of it is we've pre-written all the content, as you can see here, in all the different sections. We've pre-selected all the images for you, royalty-free, license-free, no need to download, no need to pay any fees except for the $9 a month, really affordable. However, if the image is selected on here and the content just doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and amend it. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section and showing you how you can amend it, how easy it is. You don't need to know any web design, any web coding. You don't need to hire a web designer and have a huge budget. This is really easy to use. It was designed with you in mind. So let's go ahead and walk through each section. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update section at the top. I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address. I'm now going to click on show email and site. So my email address is now displayed in the top right hand corner of my Mighty Sites website. My customers can literally click on it now and be taken directly to their email app or their email app that they use on their phone and get in touch really easily with me. I'm now going to go ahead and put my phone number in. And again, that will be displayed in the top right hand corner of my Mighty Sites website. It is click to call, so customers can click on it and give you a call directly. Let's go ahead and put in our address and our postal code. Now, that will be displayed in the top left hand corner. If you have a physical location, your customers can literally click on it and it will directly take them to Google Maps, super convenient, so they can get directions from where they are directly to your business. Awesome. So let's go ahead and save our location and move on to update social links. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Mighty Sites Instagram and Twitter. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the service is working for you, what features you'd love to see. We appreciate your feedback. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. If there's any other social media platforms you'd like us to add, comment below and let us know. Awesome. So our social media links will now be displayed on the top right-hand corner of our website. Our customers can easily click on them and be taken directly to our social media accounts to give us a follow, get some engagement, and see what we're up to. Super handy. Let's move on. I'm now going to move on to this section over here and click on update section and click on update logo. Now, if you've just started off as a makeup artist with your own business, well done. I'm super proud of you for starting. But perhaps you don't have a logo yet, and that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here in the top left hand corner. It still looks really professional. However, if you do have a logo, you can go ahead and browse from your computer, which I'm going to go ahead and do here and upload my logo. Great. So this is resizable. You can, let's go ahead and click save. You can change the size to make it bigger or smaller to suit your business. Look at that. Looks really great, really professional. If you don't have a logo yet, but you really want one and you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer, I do recommend that you check out the canva.com website. There are a few free options there that you can customize to suit your business. Wow, I'm really happy with the progress so far. I'm now going to go ahead and close that. That looks really awesome. Now, perhaps this color used throughout the website just doesn't quite work for me. It's almost like a royal blue color, and that's completely okay. There are different color palettes to choose from. So let's go ahead and click on the right paint bucket over here and go through the different color options. You don't need to know color coding. You don't need to know website coding, nothing of the sort. You literally can just go through the colors and change them. Let's see how that one works. And I'm going to go ahead and actually select this one over here. No, that one looks really great. So I actually kind of like that one. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now that is used throughout my Mighty Sites website. If there's another color palette you have in mind, we are adding more every single week. But if there's a specific one you would like, let us know in the comments below and we will add it. Perhaps it's really funky colors or something along those lines. Great. So I'm now going to move on to the next section, again, pre-written to make your life as easy as possible. Images pre-selected that are very professional looking, royalty free, free to use. But however, if this doesn't quite work for you, you can click on update section and change the title, subtitle over here. That goes over there. If that button just doesn't work for you, you don't want to view your portfolio, maybe you want to set up uh, an appointment or book your makeup session. So let's go ahead and say book makeup session and then go ahead and choose the link. Now we can link to various places. So we can link to other parts of our Mighty Sites website, like the form, for example, at the bottom of the page, which I'll get to in a minute. Otherwise, you can link to another website. Perhaps you have a calendar booking website. Otherwise, you can just link to a click to call or click to email so people can get in touch with you easily. But one of the great options that I like is you can upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a PDF file with all your makeup session rates and maybe makeup lessons, all the different products you use, maybe some images of previous makeup clients you've done. You can upload it to a PDF over here, and when your customers click on that button over there, it will take them directly to it. Awesome. So if we want to update the image, we can go over to update image. If that image just doesn't quite work for you, you can browse from your computer and upload one of your photos of your clients, perhaps. Otherwise, you can go ahead and search from the photo library, and Mighty Sites will automatically search for makeup artist pictures for you. They are all royalty free, as I mentioned. You don't need to pay for them, no licensing. You're not going to get in trouble for using them. That's the really great thing about it. So you can go ahead and select a new image and just play around with the terms a little bit that you're searching for to see what comes up. So I'm going to go ahead and search for makeup, and there we go. Some really beautiful professional looking images here. Great. So let's go ahead and close that. And again, another section here. You can amend it to suit your business. Perhaps you haven't been a makeup artist for 15 years. You've just started out. Go ahead and amend this section and the button by clicking on update section. Alright, so now we're going to come on to the About Me section. This is where you can put in a little bit more details of how you found your passion for makeup and how you got started in the industry. Another option for a really great image. This one looks really great. However, if you don't use these products, this brand, go ahead and select another one from the library or upload your own. Awesome. This looks really beautiful. Now we're in the services section. This is where you can put the different services you offer, what kind of applications you do, your clients that you usually do makeup for, i.e., weddings or proms or pageants. Put all the details in here to make it super handy for your customers to go to your website to get all the details. Great. So now I've reached the last section of my Mighty Sites website. This is the form. And we often get asked over at Mighty Sites, when my customers fill in this form, where does it go? How do I find the message? Will I get notified? And yes, absolutely. So once someone has filled in this form over here, you will get an email. Then you can also head over to the customer dashboard and find your leads over there, which I'm going to show you in a second. Let's just take a minute to appreciate how professional this website looks, how beautiful it is, and it literally only cost me $9 a month. Remember, free trial available. Click on the link below. So I'm going to head on over to the top over here. I'm going to click on stop editing. I'm now going to head over to the site dashboard, and over here on the site dashboard is where I'll find my leads. So when someone fills in that form, it will go directly here, but you will be notified via email as well. Another question we constantly getting asked at Mighty Sites is, can I link my custom domain? At Mighty Sites, we understand you want a professional looking website, and with a professional website comes a custom domain. So yes, absolutely, you can link your custom domain. You can connect it by clicking on this button here. If you're unsure, you can check out the blog post on our website, www.mightysites.com, or head over to our other YouTube videos. There is a great tutorial there. However, if you are still struggling, let us know. Send us a social media message or drop us an email, and we will literally connect your domain for you. You can add us a user and we will do all the hard work. Great. So I'm really impressed with my websites I've just created in a couple minutes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm wishing you and your makeup business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, comments about the Mighty Sites service, comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments. We'd love to hear your feedback.